How to fix "this page is not available right now" error on your Facebook page. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are having this trouble on Facebook, here are some steps to resolve the error. To get started with, you'll have to clear your Facebook cache. For this, you can either head over to your phone settings and then on apps, or you could directly long press Facebook app and go to app info. Once you reach on this page, scroll down to storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. After this is done, you can relaunch the Facebook app to check if the issue is resolved. Now that this is done, you'll have to update the Facebook application. Open the Google Play Store in case of Android users, and for iOS, go to App Store. Search for Facebook, and if there is an update available, make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on update button, it should get fixed, and once you relaunch the app, it should work fine. However, if there are some corrupted files, in that case you might have to reinstall the app. First of all, tap on uninstall button and then install it again. However, if the issue only occurs on a specific friend's page, they might have blocked you. In this case, you'll have to confirm using another account to visit the page in order to confirm. However, if the issue is from the Facebook's end, such as the server down issues, in that case you'll have to wait until it is fixed from their end. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.